I will be using this napkin for my craft today. And this is hot water, a cup of hot water. I'm going to put 1 teaspoonful of instant coffee. I'll mix it. And once dissolved, I am going to start to make this napkin look a little bit distressed. So using a foam brush, I will just dab the coffee mix onto the napkin. So you can see that it already changed the color. Since I am more on the vintage side and distressed side, that is why I'm putting coffee stain there. But if you don't like, because this is optional, just don't use a coffee mixture. So I could see a lot of wrinkles. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just tapping it using my fingers and to smooth the napkin and while drying it. And I'm showing you that it's already dry and I already removed the ply attached to it. And I used actually a tape just to remove the ply, so it will be easy for me to remove the papers attached to it. And then I used here a water pen to remove the excess napkin. I will now apply Waverly Cashew. I will paint this board. Actually, this is a cutting board, everybody. I bought this from Goodwill. And then now I'm drying it. I just applied 1 coat and I have this Burnt Umber by Apple Barrel. I'm going to paint the sides using a chip brush. Then I'm going to dry it. So using Mod Podge, I'm going to apply it onto the board because I'm going to glue the napkin. And I'm drying it. And using this small iron, I'm going to iron it using a parchment paper to smooth the napkin. And then I will just lightly scrape it using a scraper that I bought from Home Depot, just to make it look distressed. Then I have dark sealing wax by Kiehl's to make it look dirty. I'll just lightly brush the sides and the areas that I want to make it look dirty. So if you don't like distressed look or dirty look, just skip this process. Now I have the Mod Podge again just to seal the napkin there, and the paint, I just lightly brush it onto the board. So once dry, I'll just set it aside. And I have this candlestick that I bought from Hobby Lobby. I'll just paint it with the same paint, which is the Burnt Umber by Apple Barrel. And I have this little board that I bought from Goodwill. I'll paint it with the same Burnt Umber also. And I'm going to dry it. It's really up to you if you want 2 coats, and I just, put 2 coats there. And I'm drying the candlestick. I'm going to attach it onto the board. And then using a Jenga block, I'm going to just glue it on the back to make it sturdy. And using E6000, I'm going to glue this candlestick onto the small board to make this, you know, as a stand of this piece. And then I just tied there, wrap it around with a jute twine to make it sturdy, so it will be firmly attached to my board with the napkin. And then I'll just set it aside. And now I'm going to make a very simple bow. So it really depends on you. This is optional. The cloth that I use, it depends on you of what cloth you're gonna use. And then I just make it look fluffy and I trim it, and then I'm going to glue it there. So you can see it really turned out so pretty already. It's not even done yet. And I have this piece of button just to accentuate my bow. And I'm going to put some moss right on the bottom. Spanish moss from Dollar Tree. If you like to see more of my craft ideas, please go to my profile page, click like, share, and you give me a follow. And I have this jute twine. I will just put this on the edges. So it really looks pretty. And these are pieces that I bought from Temu. And I will just make this look rustic by dabbing burnt umber by Apple Barrel and highlight it with a Pueblo by Folk Art, and I will dry it so it really looks so rustic. Then I'm going to glue this on both corners. And the other one, I'm going to glue it there just for an accent. And then I will start to spell out the word farm fresh. So it's really very pretty. I love how it turned out. I hope you love this too. I bought these letter stamps from Amazon. And this is actually Hero Arts. I hope you like this craft, everybody. It's just very, very pretty. It turned out so pretty, so cute. And thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you love watching this, and I hope you like the craft. Very pretty. I just love it. And again, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you love this craft. Thank you, and bye-bye.